Tensions between the United States and North Korea make gold go up. Then tensions ease and gold goes down. Gold was $6 from 1300, and then gold went down, and everybody said, oh, gold had a little momentum, maybe gold gets going again, but most likely with the world tensions being eased, because gold is some sort of hedge, against current. People think this still. This is not the gold standard world we live in anymore. But, so gold pulled back last week, right? The tensions eased, gold pulled back, and lo and behold, what happened today? Gold hit 1300. So we were $6 away from 1300 before. Gold hit 1300. So is it that momentum thing? I heard analysts today talking about how gold could test the 2011 highs of 1900. $1,900 an ounce for gold. Based on what? Those 2011 highs were coming out of a terrible recession when things definitely were getting better, but that was the absolute tipping point where people decided, like, hey, you know what? Things have proven that we're back on track. Gold does not need to be this high, because gold is not near as valued as you might think it is. But 1300 is a level that I could understand, right? We've seen gold pull back astronomically when everything took off to the right way. And that's what we want. We want equities taking off. We want all the indexes doing well. That's what we've been seeing. And gold took a massive hit. But coming back to around 1300 seems like a very understated yet precise type of a number where gold probably should sit. Gold shouldn't probably move too much to either side of that, unless there's some reason for it. Again, the market likes to move on tension and stuff, but here we finally cracked 1300. There was a million reasons why we weren't going to get there. There was a bunch of reasons why we were going to get there. It's a bunch of analyst talk. It's no different than me. It's just a bunch of opinion. You have no ability to tell the future, but what I can tell you is if you're buying anybody thinking that $1,900, the 2011 levels, is where gold is going, it's probably because you think the economy is about to cave in on itself, and I don't foresee that happening. So while gold did hit 1300 today, and that's great, if you own gold way down, way below 1300, you're probably quite happy with your choices, and I think gold definitely should be valued in and around that mark. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Let's not let gold run up too much under world tension or under ridiculous analysis of 1900, and let's not let gold fall off the face of the earth and pretend like gold's not actually used for stuff. But gold isn't the same thing that it was when it became, when it was the standard bearer for how you hedged a country's currency and what things were actually worth in the world. Gold does not have that type of standard anymore. Gold is what it is. It's just a really, really beautiful commodity that looks nice, but it's not as important as $1,900 an ounce.